Hello there, I'm EuniyceMari and this is Informed Beauty. Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick snapshot about who I am, my career, what you can take from this channel, especially before you decide to hit that subscribe button. So first off, who am I? I am EuniyceMari. Same name here on this channel, but it is spelled a little bit differently. It is spelled EuniyceMari. But I did, switch it up here on the YT to make it a little bit more, different than what is out there. I am 31 years old and I live in LA. Currently, it is like 90 degrees out here, so it is very hot. It is definitely not October. It is definitely not fall-like, but next week they said it's supposed to be a little bit cooler, so I can't wait for that. As you guys can see, I am already in fall mode. Makeup, I'm just really ready to get into the sweater weather, and so yeah. What is my occupation? So I am a cosmetologist. I've been a cosmetologist for about 5-6 years. So I do hair, I do makeup, I do work currently as a wax specialist. Also, I am an entrepreneur. Body Care by Eunice is my Etsy shop. So I hand make natural skincare from raw ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil, jojoba oil, and I will leave a link to my shop down below and above. And what inspired me to start my own skincare line is that years and years ago, I started dealing with acne. So I started to get a lot of breakouts and I was just very fed up because I tried everything that you can possibly think of. Nothing worked, so I said, hey, why not go and just go natural? What else can you lose? Go natural. And so I went all natural in my skincare and my skin cleared right up. And then from that point on, I thought, okay, let me go ahead and share this with the world, my own little mixtures that helped out with my skin, and see if that could help somebody else. So that's where Body Care by Eunice came about. If you guys also are interested, I have a whole playlist of my acne journey from day one to now. I'll leave it above and down below, as well as a link to my shop, Body Care by Eunice, handmade all natural skincare products. I'll leave it above and down below. So what you can expect from my channel. My channel is called Informative Beauty, and I call my viewers, my subscribers, Informed Beauties. So my channel is all about learning. It's all about taking what you can from my channel. So for example, if you have an issue with your skin and you're trying to figure something out, you can take from this. If you have something wrong with your hair or an ingredient that you don't know, or just anything where you're just like, hey, I have this issue with my skin, what can I use to get rid of this rash, or what can I use to get rid of dryness? Like, my channel is it. This is the place to find that information. And in my videos, I try to be as quick and simple, try to make it as informative as possible. Also too, growing up, a lot of women or girls don't have that kind of guidance, and I also want to be someone who a teenage girl can come to, or a woman in her 50s can come in and watch and take something from my channel to apply it into their beauty world, because I do feel that my channel is an overall spectrum and you can take anything from this, no matter what age, what skin problem you have, where you are in your life. This is a very universal channel for everyone. So that is what my channel is all about. Also, when I used to watch YouTube before I started a YouTube channel, I always had my 2 cents in what somebody else did. So if they did a tutorial on makeup or hair, I was like, oh, there's another way you can do that, or it doesn't have to be done that way. And instead of just writing it in the comments, I decided to start my own YouTube channel and to share not only tips to help other women and girls out there, but also to give another perspective on beauty and things that I felt made things a little bit better, information that made things better. So that is why I started a YouTube channel. I have been on YouTube for, I think it's been 6 years, if not 7. See, I don't even remember. But I recently just put up a video because I did hit another milestone the end of August. So I've been on here for some time, and it's definitely a journey. I have grown so much, and I still have quite a ways to go here on my channel, but I'm really excited and I'm really thankful for the people who do support me, my subscribers, my viewers. You guys are amazing. So yeah, it's been quite the journey, and I can't wait to see what's to come. The goal with my YouTube channel, of course, I always had this goal of where I want to work with a big brand, whether it's Shea Moisture or some other natural skincare brand. Like, I really want to be like the commercial girl, or like working with the company to like design like a product or to come up with the product. Like, that's been like one of the things that I always like wanted to do. Also, you guys, I mean, of course, working with other brands, and you know, just being the face or a spokesperson for a brand is always great, especially if I stand behind the brand. But not only that, but I also wanted to get into talking to younger girls, like doing little like events or like seminars or something where I can actually talk to young girls, especially Black young girls, about beauty, because I feel like, especially in the Black community, younger Black girls a lot of times don't know what to do with their hair. They don't know what to do with their skin. There's a lot of opposing things that comes when it comes to our beauty, our hair texture, our skin complexion. So I also wanted to do something where I actually talk to young Black women, young Black girls, and just talk about beauty. What is your concern? What stops you? What hinders you? What are you uncomfortable with? And you know, talk to them and give them tools on what they can do to boost that confidence, whether it's using the right products for your hair, using the right products for your skin, and helping them come up with ways, not only physically, you guys, but also mentally, because that's really, really important. Mentally, things that you can do to make yourself feel better about who you are and stand in your confidence. So that is the goal of this YouTube channel. And of course, to reach as many people as possible. To end this off, a fun fact about me. What is a fun fact about Eunice? I don't know if this is much of a fun fact. Ooh, this is bothering me. This little hair right here. I don't know if this is much of a fun fact, but I'm really good at reading people. I can read people to a T, and it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. I'm really sensitive to energy, but I don't see it as a bad thing. I see it as a good thing, because nowadays people are in their own little bubble. They don't even know what's going on around them half the time. So if you're able to actually read energy or read somebody before they open up their mouth, that's a really good thing. You know, you have to be careful though, because absorbing other people's energy is not that bomb. It can take you down too. But I'm just able to read people. I have a really good way of reading someone. Like, yeah. So hopefully this video was very well rounded and you guys took something from this and learned a little bit more about me and what Body Care by Eunice is, what informative beauty is here, what EuniyceMari is here, and in a whole, where I stand with this channel, where I'm going to go with this channel. And hopefully you want to join the team. Go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So if you guys have any questions for me or about anything about me, beauty, cosmetology school, esthetician school, because I get questions about those a lot, leave them down below, as well as make sure you go follow me on IG at EuniyceMari. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my later videos. Bye.